We will show you how to properly change the direction of door opening for premium server RSF rack. We will need cordless screwdriver with PH2 bit, screwdriver with holder, PH1 bit, PH3 bit, size 8 socket bit, and flexible extension bit, combination pliers and spacers, which are included in the rack package. We need to disconnect the earthing cable from the door. Then, disconnect the earthing cable from the rack. Connect the earthing cable on the other side of the rack to the top frame. Remove the hole plugs from the hinge holes. These will be used later to plug up the original hinges. Now, unscrew the hinges from the frame in these 3 places and remove the door along with the hinges. Next, we must turn the handle. First, remove the cotter pins from the connecting rods. Remove the screws and take off the handle. Rotate the lock washer and rotate the handle. The washer restricts the movement of the handle to 90 degrees. Fit the handle back onto the door. Disassemble the transmission and swap the connecting rods. Then reassemble. Fit the transmission back onto the handle and screw it back on. Replace the lock insert cover, which we have rotated 180 degrees, and fasten it with 4 screws. Correct orientation of the cover is important for the lower connecting rod. Replace the extension piece, Teflon washer, cotter pin, metal washer. Put the locking screw in place. Now adjust and connect the connecting rods to the transmission and secure them with the cotter pins. The connecting rods have 2 openings. Use the one on the edge. If we used the other one, we would not be able to close the door. Fit the door in place and fasten the hinges using the nuts. Do not tighten the nuts fully. Place the spacers between the frame and the door. Use at least 2 at each bottom corner so the gap between the door and the frame is even. Now, fully tighten the nuts on all hinges to fix the door in place. If the door is misaligned, slightly loosen the hinges, add more spacers, and retighten the nuts. All that's left now is to reconnect the earthing cable to the door.